In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add caption to an image in Notion. Captions are a simple way to add context, credit a source, or clarify what an image is showing, and Notion makes this quick and tidy. Let's walk through it clearly so you can do it with confidence. First, open the Notion page that contains your image. Move your mouse directly over the image itself and pause for a moment. When you hover your cursor over the image, a small menu will appear. This inline toolbar can show up along the bottom or as a floating set of icons. Don't click yet, just make sure the image is selected and the menu is visible. Now, look for the caption option. It often looks like a small square with a few lines underneath it, indicating text below an image. Click that caption icon. The moment you select it, Notion will create a caption field directly beneath the image. You'll see a faint text area appear, ready for you to type. Click into that new text field and begin typing your caption. Keep it clear and concise, focusing on what the viewer needs to know, such as a brief description, the context of the image, or a credit if you are using a photo from another source. The caption will stay attached to the image, so if you move the image block around your page, the caption goes with it. That way, your notes and visuals remain organized and meaningful. If you want to change the caption later, just return to the page. Click on the caption text below the image and start editing. Your changes save automatically as you type, so here is no extra step to confirm. If you make a mistake, you can use the standard undo shortcut to revert. And if you decide you no longer need a caption, simply delete the text in the caption field. Once it's empty, the caption area will disappear from view. A couple of quick tips to keep everything smooth if you don't see the caption icon. Make sure you are hovering directly over the image and not another block nearby. Sometimes clicking the image once helps bring up the correct menu. On mobile, you can tap the image to reveal options. Then choose the caption feature in a similar way. Finally, aim for consistency. Using a similar tone and length for captions across your page makes everything feel more polished. And that's all it takes. You've added, written, and edited a caption for your image in Notion with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.